Good morning, I'm from A&D. We're actually not situated in the Bosch, but we have a lot of links with data management. Who are we? We are a mapping making company. We've been making digital maps for over 30 years now. And we started off as a mapping company, but now we're more location-aware content provider. We're listed at the Euronext Stock Exchange. We have, of course, own proprietary global map. And regarding our competitors, we're more nimble and flexible. That makes it easier to start up cooperations with us. This is where we started. So as you see, we have a global coverage where our standard definition map for more logistic and navigation purposes. And one of our next specialties is making digital high-definition maps for autonomous driving. We have had several projects with OEMs and with first tiers, and we also created a small sample of Schiedam, which we created a very accurate HD map. And we also now are focusing on what we call map fusion technology, and that's making sure that you can also create and update high-definition maps using consumer vehicles sensor data. Of course, the functionality of HD maps are quite obvious. Of course, for autonomous consumer vehicles, for public transportations, we did a proof of concept with German OEM regarding robotaxis, and we also, of course, can provide HD maps for autonomous shuttles. Truck platooning is, of course, also a use case next to smart routing, last mile delivery optimization, but also smart road maintenance. And we actually have now a project with Province Noord-Brabant and Overijssel regarding talking maps, as it's called. That's they have mobile eye cameras in the vehicles of the roadwork vehicles, and they collect data and we provide maps for them. We also now are focused on creating high alert zones in cities. An example of that, of course, are school zones. We can, for every region in the Netherlands, we start with the Netherlands, we can provide school zones, but also interact information whether there are like vacations, when the schools are closed or open. Oh, I still have some time. Future development of safety content is, of course, next to school zones are dangerous intersections, crime and accident areas, neighborhood evaluators, and also truck and safety attributes. For smart city applications, we believe there are potentials in improved driving behavior with the eHorizon application. For city developers, we can, with the neighborhood evaluator, we can detect potential areas of infrastructure improvement. For smart city maintenance, detections like with talking maps, we can detect if there are traffic signs are still there or not. For enterprise applications, we also have for logistic purposes, we have transport and management software that can be applied for that as well.